Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new video. Today is really just kind of an update video on what's been going on with the build so far. So I've been getting a lot of questions on where the Corolla is, and if I'm making more videos on the Corolla, I will be, but I haven't done anything besides we've got the coning wheels back on. So yeah, winter wheels no more, because I don't think it's going to snow too much. If it does snow a little bit, these should be able to handle it just fine. But as you just saw, the Miata moves now. So yeah, we're gonna start piecing the rear of it back together. As you can see, I've been trying to bang this quarter panel out, and it's not terrible anymore, but it's not great. So I've checked the alignment's okay. It's just I need to pull this out somehow and get all this sorted, because this is just absolutely mangled. I may have to cut the whole thing and replace the whole thing, but if I can get away with not doing that, that would be fantastic, because a quarter panel is going to cost around $700-ish if I don't go to a junkyard to get it. But if I just get a quarter panel assembly, it's going to cost around $700 for the part and then for shipping. So it's on coilovers now. I did install coilovers rather than stock suspension. Those of you who really paid close attention will know that this is a lot lower than what it used to be. Also, we got a little bit of an exhaust leak down there, but that's not a big deal. I don't know if I need a new trunk or not, because this kind of edge back here is bent. You can see, like, it's supposed to be straight, like where the spoiler is, and it's not there. So I don't know if this trunk is fixable, if I need a new one. I'll try to take a hammer to it and see if I can straighten it out, but if I can't, then well, that's another $300 for a new trunk. Unless I can find one for like 100, 200, I don't know. I have to look around some junkyards. Right, my whole point of pulling the Miata out here was so I could turn it around so I can face front in the garage, because I want to start piecing the back of it back together, and so I can focus that kind of quarter panel area there. Actually, I need to focus the quarter panel, because that's the most difficult part of this. I know pretty much everyone is going to say that it's unfixable and I have to cut it out. I'm going to see how much I can do without cutting the whole quarter panel. I think I can salvage at least parts of it, so we'll see. I don't know how much of it I need to cut. I know I need to cut some of it, especially at the bottom I need to cut, but we'll see how much of it I can actually salvage. Anyway, I'm going to get this car turned around. Oh, it's a miracle, it moves. Holy shit. That actually feels I'm scraping, found. This car is low boy now because I'm actually scraping. Is that my bumper? I'm pretty sure it's my bumper. It sounds like it because it's all rattled in. Because the bumper is not exactly secured, so it doesn't surprise me that it's making all sorts of sounds. I'm actually just going to turn the steering wheel left and see if it's running into it or not. Alright, is the bumper hitting? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's this little, there's a little piece up there. Okay. Alright, that's not too much to worry about then. So anyway, there's a quick update on the Miata. I think I'm gonna go ahead, pull the car into the garage. I don't know if I'll end this video here or not, but right, I'll see you guys in a bit.